Hey folks, got a treat for you, a real treat. Hidden under here is, and I'll turn over the user guide. Yes, EcoFlow. This is the EcoFlow, brand new EcoFlow River 3. This is a quick start guide and the usual buyer safety instruction information. I'm going to put that aside. That's the minor stuff, right? And let's get this box out the way real quick. Just let's look inside because I want to get to what's below. Here we have the cable, that recharging cable, car charger, and AC power cord for AC recharging. Nothing else in the box. You can see that other than the moisture pack. So you can dispose of that too really quickly and get to the meat and potatoes. EcoFlow River 3. First thing I like about it is this handle. I can pick it up and tell you while it has weight, it's not heavy to hurt your hands or too heavy. This is a wonderful way to carry a lot of power. Let's go back to the quick start guide for a second. Let's see if it tells us what the specs are. So one side of it is English. Okay. In the box, you've got, like I said, the EcoFlow River 3, the cable, the charger cable, the DC charging cable, and the AC charging cable. The QR code for the app, which I already have because I reviewed so many of their products. And I'm looking for something that's going to give me all the specs on it in one sheet. Give me a second. Let me see if anything here. Oh, wow, it does. I may need my glasses for this, so hang on. You know, as you get older, we need glasses, and the print is pretty small. So let's find the English. Specifications. The model number is EFR705. Net weight, 3.3 kilograms. Dimensions, 10.04 by 8.17 by 4.45 inches. Output, AC output waveform, pure sine wave. US 120 volts, 60 hertz, 300 watts total. I'm just using, there's different countries here, 220 volt, but I'm just using the US version because that's where I am. AC outlet socket, 100 to 120 volts, 50, 60 hertz, 300 watts total. USB-A output, 5 volts, 2.4 amps, 12 watts maximum per port, 2 ports, total of 24 watts. USB-C output, 5, 9, 12, 15, 20 volts, 5 amps, 100 watts max. DC output, 12.6 volts, 10 amps, 126 watts max. Total output power, 550 watts. Input, 120 volts, 6.5 amps. Solar charger input, 10 to 30 volts, 8 amps, 120 watts. Car charger input, 12 to 24 volts, 8 amps, 100 watts max. Battery info, rated capacity, 245 watt hours, 19.2 volts, 12.8 amp hours. Cell chemistry, it's a Life PO4. And the rest is weight and temperature. You know, not really where they have weight here. Rest is temperature, storage temperature. Nothing we're interested in. So let's get to the actual device. Where do I start? Let's show you the simple part. That's the handle. Really nice handle. I like that. Size, it fits well. Vent. Bottom. Information, usual rubber feet. The other side, here we go. Flip down. You've got that solar charging and DC charging port and the AC charging port. So obviously everything else is right here. This is your AC, 2 ACs, on-off switch for the AC. DC on-off, there's your DC port. Let's open this up. Okay. Screen, USB-A, USB-A, USB-C. So, well, let's see if it has any juice in it. Yes, it does. You might not. There you go. I'll give you an angle so you can see it. Only has 31% charge it came with, but at least you get to see the screen. It has the AC power outage. You see it light up. So the actual, many of these things have a light on top like this one that shows the light. The actual button lights on this, I'm assuming the same thing will go for, yes it does, the button lights on that. So I like that. So this is the brand new EcoFlow River 3. And you can, this has sort of been an unboxing, right? Without the box, so to speak, because it came in a cardboard box. But you can read the entire review via the link in the description below.